The new scanner is referred to as the Trimble X9 Laser Scanner. It replaces our old Trimble SX10 total station. Instead of doing the least amount of scans that we can in the time frame that we have available to us, this just allows us to collect so much more data and really capture everything that happens at a collision scene. It shoots out a pulse of the light. Whatever that light bounces off, it records how long it will take to come back. And knowing that the angle it came back at and the time it took for it to come back to, it can determine the exact distance it is away from the scanner. It does that about 1 million times a second, and from that creates a digital environment that replicates the real world. The old scanner that we used would record at around about 25,000 points per second. This records at 1 million points a second, so it's about 40 times faster. Because it's a lot quicker, we can do 10, 12 scans in the times it would take us to do maybe 1 or 2 scans with our older technology, which means that we're no longer at the scene for multiple hours, collecting 5 or 6 scans. We're at the scene for maybe 2 hours and we've got 15 to 20 scans. We can use the data to create animations of collision reconstructions to potentially show a jury or the coroner exactly what happened. Mostly it just comes down to minimising the amount of trauma everyone has to be exposed to. I mean, unfortunately, collision investigators, will go to multiple fatalities each year. Members of general duties policing and the public will unfortunately see, serious road collisions, every single year. And the least amount of time that we can have roads closed while members are investigating it, or while commuters are on their way home, it's better for everyone. There's things that people don't need to be exposed to every day, and being able to clean up the road and clear it and get everything back to normal faster than we have been able to before is only going to be a good thing.